Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to add crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. It is a very easy process, so let's dive right in. First of all, find the Coinbase Wallet app on your home screen. Now open it. After opening the app, you will see something like this on your home page. Now tap onto the wallet option at the bottom, just right here. Then here you can find the option of add crypto. Now tap on it. Then here you can find transfer from Coinbase. Now simply tap on it. And after that you can simply add crypto from Coinbase. And if it is not supported on your area, you will simply see something like this. And if it is supported, then you can simply transfer the crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. And that's it. This is how you can add crypto from Coinbase to Coinbase Wallet. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe for more tips. Thanks for watching.